What up guys, Bianchi Cycling here. Today I've got an unboxing of the K-Edge GoPro handlebar mount. This is the smaller version. If you'd like to see the bigger version, just click on the screen now and you can see my unboxing of that one. Right, so anyway, let's get started. It says on the little notes, it says it's CNC machined to 661 T6 aluminium, 24 grams, super lightweight and strong, and compatible with the 31.8 millimeter bars. There's it there. Nothing on the back, just the price, £30. Right, so cut open. I've got the some scales so we can test if it actually weighs 24 grams. Let me cut into it. Can't take it off. There we go. Right, there's that off. Move all that to the side. And there it is. Not very tall. There's the little size comparison to my finger. What I'll do, I'll just go get the scales. Some scales here. We'll turn it on. I think you can see the number. Right, what I'll do, I'll put it on. And that says 25.4 grams of that. So if I take the bolt off, let me quickly, oh, wrong way, zoom out. What I'll do, I'll quickly take the bolt off. What is this? Got the bolt right there to hold the camera in place. So, and this completely comes off, so you can literally just clamp it on like that. So you just do put the camera in, put in, bolt up. That was my unboxing. Thank you for watching.